Nothing worse than when you're trying to have your shower and the water is just not going down. And especially if you've got a lot of people in your household and you need to have a quick shower and just get out quickly. And because the water, when it's not going down, it just delays everything, and then you end up stepping in your own dirt as well. It's just disgusting. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to eliminate that without the need of a plumber and without the need of smelling the smelly drains as you're unblocking it. Stay tuned. Nice, clean, simple and easy. No more need for the old-fashioned plunger. Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to unblock your bath, and this method can also be used for unblocking your kitchen sink. Today we are going to be using this maximum strength caustic soda. I was recommended this product by someone and I've already tried it in the kitchen sink and it has worked. So let's see what it can do in the bathroom too. Warning with this product, it is very corrosive. I suggest you wear gloves. It's a very hazardous product. So take extreme caution when using this product. Make sure you read the instructions carefully before using this product and keep out of reach of children. Okay, with that being said, let's get into the video. The most important thing I noticed about this product was that you have to mix it with cold water. Do not try to mix this product with warm water because it heats up very quickly. This product will heat up and it is corrosive, so be very careful. It says you should mix the formula first before using it. So I've got my plastic bottle here. I'll be pouring the solution in and I will do that off camera and then I'll show you what it looks like. So I have put an amount into the plastic bottle. Basically it just looks like salt until you mix it with water. Once you mix it with water, it will heat up, so make sure your water is cold. Make sure the tap is turned to cold before you start filling up the bottle. Very, very important. Cold water. I repeat, cold water only. It does have a warning that it's a corrosive product, so I would suggest remove all your metal pieces from around before you do start. So I'm going to remove this and I'm going to get this out of the way as well. So I've just removed the cap, so I'm going to show you how the water is not going down at this moment. Yeah, we can see that it's still blocked. It's blocked at this moment. So let's start unblocking it. I suggest you wait for the water to go down first before pouring the solution in. So what I'm going to do now, I've waited for the water to go down. It took a long while to go down, but it's gone now. So I'm going to pour the solution in and then you leave it there for half an hour. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is half an hour later. So the advice was to flush it with hot water. So I'm just going to turn on the hot water tap and let's see what happens next. Fast the water runs down. Amazing. That really is amazing. It really works. You can see the water is not piling up anymore. It's going straight down the drain. And that has worked. That has fixed. I'm impressed. So next time if someone gives you advice to follow about a product, I suggest you listen. I'm very glad I listened to the person that suggested this product for me. So next video I will be showing you how to get your LIMESCALE off chrome taps. So please subscribe to the channel if you would like to see that next, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.